Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, we are going to do the first ever oil change on my Ford F-150. It's a 2025 model XLT. It has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost in it as well. Now, the normal schedule says to do this at 10,000. Preferably, I would like to do it at 5,000. I'm at 8,000, so I'm a little over what I'd prefer to do. Considering it's the first one, definitely going to do it before the 10,000. What I'm going to be using today is the Ford brand Motorcraft, the 5W30 synthetic motor oil. Takes total of 6 quarts, so I got 5 quarts there, 1 extra there. And then we've got the Ford Motorcraft oil filter FL500S. So I'm going to put all the links to this down below in the description so you guys can copy yourself this info in this setup and do your own oil change. Let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do, pop this hood and then crack the filler neck so that we can let the air get in and flow out the oil. Right here, too bad. I'm gonna just leave it kind of on there. We are a little windy today. Now I'm gonna go underneath. I'll meet you under there. All right. So right here is our drain plug. Make sure I got this on loosen. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh yeah, really easy. Now let's make sure we got this in the way. Got our catch can. Here it comes. There we go. All right, we're gonna let this drain for a minute. Be right back. Okay, as I was cleaning off the drain pan bolt, notice it's got a washer built into it. So really what I should be doing is replacing this whole bolt. I didn't buy one. I'm sure it's gonna be fine for the next oil change, so I'm just gonna put this back in as is. We are pretty close to being done here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. Oh, looks like I screwed in the right way. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this in here to do a nice, let me just tighten it with this first. Okay, it'll be interesting to see if I can actually get the big old wrench on here. 19 to 20 foot-pounds. There we go. Filter is next. All right, guys. I don't think I'm going to be able to video this, me taking off, but you can see the oil filter right there in white. I did move these 2 wires out of the way. They're kind of just pinched on this little bracket right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out, and the way I'm going to be able to film this. Be back in a minute. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you saw that or not, but it's off. Let's let it drain for a second, and then I'll clean it up, put the new one on. Don't forget to put a little bit of oil on here so you can get that. I'm not gonna put too much in there because I don't want to slop it all around. You gotta get that nice and lubed up there so it seals properly. All right, let's get this in. And that should do it. All right, let's get the oil back in this machine. First thing we'll do is take the rest of the cap off here, set that aside. I don't lose that. Start with, oops, we need the funnel. Put the funnel in. Six quarts of 5W30. Oh, Ooh, that was not good. All right, last thing we need to do is reset the oil life monitor. Let's get into the cab and check that out. Pull the oil dipstick. We're right in the sweet spot, right in the middle. So good to go. Now that we got the oil filled up, ran it up to temp, got it circulating all through, let's reset the oil monitor. So to do that, turn on the car here. Get rid of my door ajar. And then right over here, I'm gonna use this menu button. I'll get it back out of that. Menu button, I'm gonna go all the way down to vehicle maintenance. Hit OK. Oil life monitor, I was at 24%. Press and hold your OK key. Bam. Oil life is now 100%. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this one. As you can see, we did the oil change for the first ever oil change for this 2025 Ford F-150 XLT 3.5 liter EcoBoost. We used the 5W30 synthetic blend. We've got the FL500S oil filter. I'm gonna have links for all this down below. Hey, and if you like this kind of content, give us a like and a subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one.